Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. In this video, we're diving into one of the most valuable and in-demand topics of our time, how to make money online in 2025. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to scale your existing income, this guide is designed to give you clarity, direction, and results. It's a roadmap, one that's built on actual opportunities that work in today's digital economy, not with outdated tactics. We'll break down the exact strategies, platforms, and tools professionals are using right now to earn online, even without prior experience, an audience, or startup capital. So if you're serious about building real, sustainable online income and want to take advantage of the tools available today, this video is your starting point. Stay with me until the end, because what you learn here could shift the way you approach income, opportunity, and your future. Let's get started. First, you already have the skills. To begin making money online, the first step is to recognize that you already possess valuable skills that can be monetized without any initial investment. Many individuals hesitate because they believe they need to learn entirely new skills or spend money on training before earning. This is a misconception. Your existing abilities, whether in writing, graphic design, communication, programming, social media management, or even basic data entry, can be directly applied to various online opportunities. The key is to identify these skills clearly and match them with appropriate platforms that connect freelancers or service providers with clients worldwide. In this video, we will provide a step-by-step guide on how to effectively leverage your current skills to start earning. This includes assessing your skills, selecting the right platforms, creating a professional profile, bidding and communicating with clients, and delivering quality work. First, assess your skills. Conduct a comprehensive self-assessment. Write down all your skills, experience, and knowledge areas that could have practical applications online. These could include technical skills like coding, graphic design, or video editing, creative skills such as writing, illustration, or music production, administrative skills like data entry, virtual assistants, or customer service, and communication or language skills, useful for translation, transcription, or tutoring. Once you have your list, evaluate which skills are in demand by researching online job boards and freelance marketplaces. This will help you focus on the most marketable abilities. Remember, you don't need to be an expert. Many clients are looking for competent, reliable freelancers at entry to intermediate levels. Next, select the right platforms. After identifying your marketable skills, the next step is to choose reputable online platforms where you can offer your services. Many of these allow you to register and start bidding on projects for free, which is ideal if you're a beginner. Some of the most popular options include Upwork, one of the largest freelancing marketplaces with opportunities across various categories, Fiverr, where freelancers create specific service gigs, Freelancer, which is similar to Upwork and offers a wide range of projects, People Per Hour, focused on hourly and project-based freelance work, and Guru, which provides various freelance job categories with secure payment options. Registering on multiple platforms increases your visibility and chances of securing work. Take the time to understand each platform's structure, fees, and payment systems to find the best fit for your skills and goals. Now, create a professional profile. Your profile is your digital resume and the first impression clients will have of you. A well-crafted profile significantly increases your chances of attracting serious clients. When building your profile, write a clear, concise summary that highlights your skills, experience, and what value you bring. List all relevant skills and certifications accurately. Upload a professional photo, or use a logo if you're branding yourself. Show samples of your previous work if possible, and include testimonials or reviews if you have them. Many platforms offer tips or templates for creating effective profiles. Don't rush this step. A good profile directly impacts your credibility and success. Next is bidding and client communication. To get your first clients, you'll often need to submit proposals or bids. The key is to keep them simple, relevant, and tailored to the client's project. Personalize each proposal by referencing the job description, highlight your related experience and skills, and offer realistic timelines with clear deliverables. Throughout the process, maintain a professional and respectful tone. Respond to messages promptly and keep communication clear. This level of professionalism builds trust and helps you establish long-term client relationships. Finally, deliver quality work. Once you're hired, your number one priority is to meet or exceed the client's expectations. This builds your reputation, brings in positive reviews, and leads to repeat business and referrals. To ensure quality, understand the project requirements clearly, set realistic deadlines, manage your time well, and communicate proactively if anything comes up. Pay close attention to detail and maintain high standards throughout your work. Ask for feedback when the project is done and be open to making improvements. Building a strong reputation online takes consistency, professionalism, and reliability. By following these 5 practical steps and using free trusted platforms, you can confidently begin your online income journey with the skills you already have. Second, turning simple designs into passive income. One of the most practical ways to make money online is by using your creativity to build passive income streams through simple, digital designs. A highly accessible and scalable method to do this is by using print-on-demand platforms. Print-on-demand is a business model that lets you create and sell custom design products such as t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, tote bags, and more without ever holding inventory or dealing with shipping. When a customer places an order, the platform prints your design on the product and ships it directly to the buyer. You earn a profit from each sale, while the platform handles the logistics. This model is especially appealing for a few key reasons. First, it requires very little upfront investment. You don't have to buy inventory or pay for production in advance. Second, there's almost no risk, since products are only made when someone places an order, meaning there's no unsold stock. Third, it's scalable. You can upload as many designs as you want across multiple product types and reach a global audience. And finally, it's largely automated. Once your designs are uploaded and published, the fulfillment process runs in the background, generating income passively over time. So how do you get started? Here's a simple step-by-step approach to begin earning with print on demand. Step 1. Create simple, appealing designs. You don't need to be a professional graphic designer. In fact, many top-selling products use basic typography, clean icons, or niche-specific phrases. Tools like Canva, GIMP, and Photopea are free and user-friendly, making it easy for anyone to get started. Step 2. Choose reliable print-on-demand platforms. There are several trusted POD services that integrate with online stores or marketplaces. Some of the most popular and beginner-friendly platforms include Printful, Teespring, now called Spring, Redbubble, TeePublic, and Spreadshirt. Most of these platforms allow you to sign up for free and offer easy upload tools for your designs. Third, Faceless YouTube automation. This is one of the most efficient and increasingly popular ways to earn income online, by building content-driven YouTube channels without ever showing your face or using your real voice. Faceless YouTube automation involves creating videos where nearly every part of the production process can be outsourced or handled by AI. This includes script writing, voiceover narration, editing, and even thumbnail design. The major benefit of this model is privacy. You can build a successful channel, grow an audience, and earn substantial revenue, all while keeping your identity completely anonymous. It also offers scalability. With the right systems in place, you can operate multiple channels at the same time, each targeting a different niche or audience segment. And perhaps most importantly, it creates the potential for passive income. Once a video is published, it can continue earning revenue for months or even years through YouTube ads, affiliate links, sponsorships, or product promotions. Getting started requires strategic planning. The first step is to choose a niche that has strong demand, but low to moderate competition. Popular faceless niches include tech reviews, finance and investing, motivational content, travel guides, and educational explainers. The more specific and consistent your niche, the easier it is to build authority and gain subscribers. Next, consider how you want to create content. You can use freelance marketplaces like Fiverr or Upwork to outsource scripting, voiceovers, and editing, or you can streamline the process using AI tools. For example, platforms like ChatGPT can help with high-quality script writing, 11 Labs can generate natural-sounding voiceovers, and editors like Pictory or CapCut can help produce the final video. This makes it possible to create full-length YouTube videos without recording anything yourself. Consistency and quality are the most important success factors. Publishing regularly, whether weekly or bi-weekly, helps grow your audience and signals to the algorithm that your channel is active. Focus on high-quality visuals, engaging hooks, clean audio, and valuable content that keeps viewers watching. Over time, as your videos accumulate views and your channel meets monetization requirements, you can earn recurring income from multiple sources. Faceless YouTube automation is ideal for anyone who wants to build a digital brand, earn income at scale, and operate behind the scenes. With the right systems and effort, it offers one of the most flexible and powerful content monetization models available online today. Fourth, affiliate income. Affiliate marketing is a proven and widely used method for generating online revenue by promoting products or services created by other companies. The concept is simple. When someone clicks on your unique affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. It's a performance-based income model that rewards you for driving real sales. One of the main advantages of affiliate marketing is its low startup cost. You don't need to develop your own product, manage inventory, or deal with customer support. Everything is handled by the company you're promoting. It also offers flexibility. You can choose to promote products in any niche that aligns with your interests, audience, or expertise. And once your content is published and your links are in place, you can continue to earn commissions passively, sometimes for months or years, with minimal maintenance. To get started, the first step is choosing a niche. Focus on a specific market that you're either knowledgeable about or genuinely interested in. This could be anything from health and fitness, tech gadgets, online tools, education, or personal finance. A well-defined niche helps you connect with a target audience and build trust more effectively. Next, join reputable affiliate programs. Some of the most popular networks include Amazon Associates, ClickBank, ShareASale, and Commission Junction. In addition, many individual companies offer their own in-house affiliate programs. Signing up is usually free and only takes a few minutes. Once approved, you'll get access to tracking links and promotional resources. Now, it's time to create valuable content. This could be in the form of blog articles, YouTube videos, Instagram Reels, or email newsletters. The most successful affiliates provide genuine, helpful content, like reviews, how-to tutorials, or product comparisons that give people a reason to click and trust your recommendations. To increase visibility, focus on driving traffic to your content. Use SEO techniques to rank higher on search engines, promote across social media platforms, and, if your budget allows, experiment with paid advertising. The more targeted traffic you drive to your affiliate links, the higher your chances of earning commissions. Finally, monitor your performance using analytics tools. Track metrics like clicks, conversions, and commission rates. This helps you understand what content performs best so you can improve and scale over time. Affiliate marketing requires patience, consistency, and a long-term mindset. It won't make you rich overnight, but when done correctly, it can become a reliable and scalable source of passive income with minimal overhead and maximum reach. Fifth, dropshipping. Dropshipping is a highly accessible e-commerce business model that allows you to start selling physical products online without needing large amounts of capital or inventory. The concept is simple. You find trending or high-demand products that can be sourced at a low cost, and then you resell them at a higher price through your online store. The key is that you don't hold any inventory yourself. When a customer places an order, you purchase the product directly from a supplier, usually at a significantly lower price, and the supplier ships the item straight to the customer. You earn a profit from the price difference without ever touching the product. This model is attractive for several reasons. First, it eliminates the need to invest in bulk inventory, reducing your financial risk. Second, it allows you to test different products and niches quickly, since you're not locked into any one item. Third, fulfillment is handled entirely by the supplier. meaning you can focus entirely on the areas that matter most, like marketing, customer service, and scaling your business. To get started with dropshipping, begin by finding a winning product. This means identifying items that are trending, in demand, and inexpensive to source. Use platforms like TikTok, AliExpress, or product research tools to spot what's currently selling well. Once you've chosen a product, the next step is promotion. Use social media platforms, personal networks, or paid advertising, such as Facebook or Instagram ads, to reach potential buyers. A strong product paired with effective marketing can drive significant interest and conversions. When someone places an order through your store, you collect payment from the customer at your retail price. Then, you place the same order with your supplier at the wholesale cost. The supplier takes care of shipping the item directly to your customer, and you keep the profit, the difference between the two prices. In many cases, sellers mark up products by 2 or even 3 times their original cost, allowing for healthy profit margins. The beauty of dropshipping is in its simplicity and scalability. You can start small, test fast, and expand your product line as you grow. While it does require attention to detail, especially when it comes to customer service and supplier reliability, it remains one of the most effective ways to start an online business without heavy upfront investment. Finally, the truth about making money online. The truth is, there's no one-size-fits-all solution. The right path depends entirely on who you are, what you enjoy doing, and where you're starting from. In this video, we've walked through 5 proven income models, but the most important step is choosing the one that truly fits you. If you're just getting started, with no money, no experience, and no audience, freelancing is the smartest entry point. It doesn't require any startup capital. You simply offer digital help, writing, editing, design, or simple administrative work, and get paid for solving real problems for real people. If you're naturally creative, someone who enjoys visuals, messaging, or staying ahead of trends, print on demand might be your best option. You create simple designs, upload them to platforms like Teespring or Redbubble, and earn money every time someone connects with your message and decides to buy. If you have knowledge, something you've learned, mastered, or figured out through personal experience, selling digital products can be incredibly powerful. You can package what you know into templates, guides, or resources and sell them over and over again, with no limit to how many people you can reach. If you value your privacy and don't want to be on camera or use your voice, Faceless YouTube automation is an amazing opportunity. With stock footage, AI voiceovers, and script tools, you can build high-quality content behind the scenes that continues to generate views and revenue long after it's uploaded. And if you're someone who's good at recommending helpful tools, products, or services, but you don't want to create anything yourself, affiliate marketing is the perfect low-risk model. You promote existing products, and when someone buys through your unique link, you earn a commission. It's simple, scalable, and accessible to anyone. But here's what really matters. The goal isn't to try everything at once. The goal is to pick one path, stick to it, and execute with discipline and focus. Online income doesn't come from chasing every opportunity. It comes from doing one thing well, over and over until it works. Thank you for watching. If this video gave you clarity or motivation, leave a comment, hit the like button, and subscribe for more content just like this. No hype, no empty promises, just real strategies that actually work. And remember, at the end of the day, all you need is a Wi-Fi connection, a clear plan, and belief in yourself. So let's get to work. The internet is waiting.